Hi friends,
This is going to be my first video and I will come out with similar such videos in the times to come for all of you, where I'll be providing one stock every day which has a potential to either go up or down. This is this video is only for educational purpose. If you are trading it, you will be doing it at your own risk and I will not be held responsible for the same. Thank you. So today I am going to read the chart of India Glycol, which I found quite promising for a breakout in the coming days. So on the 1 hour chart, what I see is that India Glycol has just broken out of a resistance level at 480 82 kind of levels. Even on a 4 hour chart, it has broken out at the same levels, and on a day time frame it has just closed below a breakout level. So tomorrow I will be watching the level of 480. If it moves above 480, I will be buying it. My stop loss would be somewhere below 450 levels, and my targets would be somewhere around 530 levels. So I am going to buy it tomorrow above 480 level. I would be keeping my stop loss below 450 level on closing basis, and I am aiming for a target of get of 525 to 530 level. This will be my first target, and my second target would be 550 and above. Now once it moves above 480, I mean it goes above 500, I would move my stop loss to 480 level and be safe in the trade. Thank you.